Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today I have a very quick and short video. If I can stop dropping the bolt, I want to take and show you guys how to shorten a bolt. Now this is a 1-inch long 3/8 inch bolt, and so therefore it's very hard to cut off on the bandsaw. And I'm going to show you a real quick easy way that you can do this, and this is also a handy way that you can clean up the threads after it's been cut. So the bandsaw the problem with bandsaws is you're going to deal with suck down. So that means as soon as it starts getting a little bit through, it's going to want to pull the thing at a diagonal. Now this can break the bandsaw blade, or worse, pull your finger into the blade, things like that. And so you really need to take and be careful here whenever you're trying to cut off small components on a bandsaw. But as I'm going to show you, whenever I get around to it, I went hunting for a stick, but couldn't find a push stick other than this brass piece here. So we're going to use that in conjunction with a pair of visa grips. Now these can be cheap visa grips. These are really overkill for what I'm doing here. But again, the ideal of this is to be able to clamp this up and not have the hassle of having to hold it with your fingertips, which could get into the blade of the bandsaw. Bandsaws don't care whether they're cutting flesh, bone, steel, copper, doesn't matter. They will cut right through it. So once we've got that locked on, we'll go ahead and flip on the bandsaw here in just a second. There we go. And now we're going to use our push stick on the other side, so this way we can apply even pressure. Now what this does, that nut all the way out there on the end, is it supports that end, so this way you don't get the suck down. Just like so. And if you notice, that bumped into the blade just like so. That's why you don't have your thumb or fingers near this while it's running. Now I'll go ahead and shut it off. That way we're staying safe. And I'll show you the result. So as you can see, I trimmed off roughly about a 1/2 inch of material here for this bolt to get it shortened. And there's the other end. Now all we need to do is take and clean up this bolt a little bit. So I'll get set up and we'll do that over at the bench grinder. So here's the belt grinder that I'm going to be using. And if you notice, I put the nut all the way down to the head. Now this allows me to have a larger surface to hold on to, so this way, once again, it doesn't have a tendency to take and pull and have a suck down moment. I'm only exposing the parts of the thread that I want to bevel off a little bit. This makes it a lot safer option. Now I was handling this in bare hands, but the ideal way would have been to just keep it locked up in a pair of visa grips. But you pretty much see my point. So there I've got a custom bolt length out of a standard bolt length of 1 inch. And there you go. Nice and easy. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought in the comment sections down below. And like I always say, God bless you, and we'll catch you on the next one.